Good evening, students. Today topic is the data visualization unit 5. Data visualization is the art and the practice of gathering and analyzing graphical representation of the data. And there is something called about information graphics, like chart graph. The visualize the data, tell the story of the data. Telling story is predicated on understand the data at a deep level, gathering the insight from the comparison of the data point in the numbers. Why data visualizations are required? Gain insight in the information space by mapping on data onto the graphical primitives provided by the qualitative overview on the large data set, such as search for the pattern, trends, structure, irregularities, and relations among the data. Help to find by the interesting regions suitable parameters for the further qualitative analysis, providing the visual proofs on the computer representation of the derivatives. The category of the visualization techniques, the pixel-oriented visualization techniques, geometric projection visualization techniques, icon-based visualization techniques, hierarchical visualization techniques, visualization complex, and data relations. The first topic we'll go to this pixel-oriented visualization technique. For pixel-orientation visualization technique is simple. Okay, we have to use a pixel-orientation visualization technique. It is having the data sets having the m dimensions are there. We have to create by m times screen it created. One dimension having that is the m dimensional values are there. That means the m dimension means suppose having that is a 100 pixel, 100 pixel, 10 comma 10, 10 comma 100 pixels are there. 10 x having that is a 10 value, y having the 100 values are there. We have to plot the one particular the chart. That means is the position on that is the window. The color of the pixel are referred by the corresponding value. Here some examples are the income. The income having there is those having the highest incomes are there, given by the dark colors are there. Those having the lowest incomes are there, given by the light colors are there. Credit card limit. Credit card limit, those having the highest credit card limits they have, they are to give by the highest value. The credit card limit to be those are highest questions are they coming here, lowest to be coming here. And also transaction volume. Who are it from as the more number of transactions, the one from is the color codings are there. And what are the age is the age. According to the age. So those having there is the youngest age given by the white colors are there. When having the dark age represented by the old age are people who want represented. The layering out of the pixel in the circle segments are to save the space and so the connection among the multiple dimension. The space filling is often by the circle by the circle segments. Okay. Circle segment means circle segment. We have in it is the dimensions are there. Or totally having the five dimensions are there. Five dimensions represented by the where we are storing the data records are there. Similarly, going to be represented by the layout on there's a pixel and that is the circle segments are there. Same dimension will give by the pixel oriented. That is the first floor, where is second one, where is third one, fourth one. How the data I want to read from as the first to last. Given by the pixel orientation, pixel oriented representations. Next one compromise the icon based. The geometric projection visualization techniques are there. Visualization of the geometric transformation and projection of the data. Data. The method having there is a data visualization, scatter plot and scatter plot matrix, landscape projection method. Maybe the multi-dimensional data will be there. Pro section view, hyper slice, parallel coordinates are there. The scatter plot. The scatter plot is the display by the 2D data points using by the Cartesian coordinates. The three-dimensional can also add up for different colors, shapes represented by the different data points. Through the visualization, the adjustment of the pixel, we have to use from as a plus value, and also it can give as the cross trends also co-located where the points are there. The points are represented by the plus, or maybe they give by this intermark for them. The scatter plot. The scatter plot is the extension of that is the scatter plot. Scatter plot means suppose we having is a multiple values are there. We cannot possible to plot with having the one or two lines. That time we can use them as a scatter plot want to be used. Suppose in a particular chart, we had to represent by 1,000 values are there. 1,000 values are not possible to showing by the bar chart or having there is a pie chart at all. We can you go for the scatter plot, you can able to plot by 1,000 value or within the region. Okay, when I apply by the scatter plot matrix, extension of the scatter plot, the k dimensional data, minimum having this k2 by 2 height formula will be the total number of values divided by 2 values are there with 2 dimensional value. The can be as maximized from as the k2 by plot by 2d value. Adjusting the figure having this k2 plot. We having it is the find with having the k value dimension, having x and y going to plot. Based on the x and y plot, having the two varieties will become from as the x versus y versus s. The parallel coordinate will be there. The scatter plot matrix become as the less effective on the dimension increases. Another technique is called about the parallel coordinate. Having the high dimensionality, and as the x-axis, and also the parallel to be as the screen axis, and corresponding to as the attributes. The axis may be scaled to the minimum by maximum. The range between that is the attribute. Suppose we give by the 0 to 100 input, so the automatically interval taken from as the 5, 10, or 15, the based on the input. Based on the input. So the five inputs are there, they directly give by the value from as a 0, 5, 0, 50, 100 be showing. In having the only one inputs are there. The two inputs are there, according to two input, the minimum value interval unit going to be changed on the respective by the minimum value, maximum value. Every item is represented, right? Every item is be as a corresponding to the polynomial line, which having impact with having each axis point through by the value of that is the attributes. Icon based visualization technique. Here having there is a data value and features of the icon. Typical of the visualization methods are the Choma faces and stick figures are there. General techniques for this is a save codings are the color icons are the toolbars are the save coding. Nothing about it, the certain information encoding want to perform. Save will be represented. Color icon represented by this encoding the more information. Toolbar are represented by a small item. Small icon represented by the feature vector in the dimensional rectangle. The charm face off. The charm face off two-dimensional surface is there. Having the considered by x equal to eyebrow slang is there. Y having the eye size are there. Z over the nose length are there. So based on the adjustment that one you can able to produce by the 10 characteristics want to be as a produced. Based on the movement, you can able to produce by the different one, eye size and also eyes facing, and the pupil size, eyebrow slant, nose size, mouth size. And this kind of thing you can able to produce by the 10 possible say, different value you can able to produce. This considered by as the charm face. And the stick figure is there. Stick figure nothing about is the census data will be given figure sourced by the age, income, and general educations are there. Five pieces of the stick figures are given. Having the one is the body, four is the limb, and with different weight angles are given. So in the figure given by the only that is the income rate. Those are the highest incomes are there, so in the room. Those are the lowest incomes are there, so in the area for that. And also the indicator figure is the figure general and education indicated by general and education indicated by angle by length will be there. Visualization can be shown by the textual patterns are there. Textual pattern means this pattern. Next compromise the hierarchy visualization techniques are there. It is having large data sets on the high dimensionality. It would be a difficulty to visualize by the all dimensionality at the same time. The hierarchy visualization techniques, the position of the all dimension is the subset and subspaces. The subspaces are visualized by the hierarchical manner. The world within the world, known by the NVISN, represented by the hierarchical visualization mode. Six-dimensional data will be there. Six-dimensional data we can write by the f equal to x1 to x5 are there. F will be considered by the one of the dimension value. We have to fix it into the value. What is the original input x3, x4, x5? We can able to fix. Suppose you can see this diagram. You can see the diagram here having the x1, x2, x3 are. We had to fix the particular coordinate. Had to visualize that what is the exact landscapes can able to be. The landscape we want by the x and y. The x1 and having this x3, x4, x5 you have to pull down. Okay, this compromise the visualization. Next compromise that visualizing the complex data analysis are there. The most visualization techniques were mainly as the numerical data will be there. Recently, having the more non-numerical data will be there, such as by text and social network have been as available. Many people are using by the web tags, so it's various type of the pictures, the blog entry, product reviews are done. The tag cloud have visualization of the statistics and user generic tags are there. The tag cloud, tag of the listing in alphabetic order, user preferred order. Important by tag indicate by the font size and the colors. I can see here that different kind of that is the text is given, which is having the familiar text is there. They give by the big font size is there, big font size, which is not familiar one, give by the small sizes are there. According to familiarity, they give by the big size, small size. They consider by this the complex data sets are there. In this unit, only the four topics are there. You have to remember the point. You should write the diagram for the diagram. You should write the diagram, then only then you get the good marks for that. Without writing diagram, if you give the explanations, they may not give the good mark for that. Already the points are having very less. Okay, please write elaborate answer. Should not write by the short answer. Okay, fine.